Hi girls and guys, Boris Gelfand. Guys, today we have beautiful day in Boca Raton and we're gonna see house with a pool and a two-story building, and I think you're gonna love it because house really big and excellent condition inside. So guys, I would love to see you watching this video too. Guys, we are getting inside of the beautiful house with a 7-bedroom and 5,000 square feet. This is really luxury building, which is you can find in Boca Raton area, and community called Azura, and it's luxury neighborhood. Like you see, the house has first floor office room, dining room with a high ceiling, and most of luxury houses in this neighborhood has master bedroom on the first floor. So basically it's like divided master bedroom, some room like for babysitter or for some housekeeper, office, and second floor has bedroom. So we're going to get into the master bathroom, which has 2 double sinks, one left and right, and jacuzzi, and behind you have a stand-up shower. Everything made from marble. Guys, it can survive another 100 years. And house was built 2014. Always you can check links below the video what is it about. Prices. This price 1.65 as today, but again guys, everything negotiable. You can always give an offer, but it needs to be reasonable. And you see the refrigerator in a bar in a master bedroom. So we're now in the side of the master bedroom. It has a lot of closet space, organized, and master bedroom really big size. I mean, and compared to smaller houses, for sure it's big. And it's most important, it's facing pool and lake. So you can wake up and see and to have a good mood, and like in movies, and it's heated pool, and we're gonna go outside to see what's going on inside, outside. And but again, this is 7 bedrooms and luxury building, luxury house, and the marble, shiny marble. Again, it's clean, it's need to be sometimes polished, but let's go outside and see what could be. And you see a house has fireplace, so everything, name it what you need. So let's go outside and see kitchen, and backyard paved, so you don't have a lot of grass, so you can put chairs, you can put beds on a paver. And like I said, it has jacuzzi, heated pool, so you can take to use pool 365 days a year. And see what is your neighbors view, guys. View, incredible view. Neighbors and neighbors and neighbors. I mean, this is $1 million community. And like, you know, sometimes you're choosing house and you're choosing friends. You're choosing friends for your kids. So when you're choosing house, it's not only construction. So you're choosing clubhouse, you're choosing location, you're choosing schools, most important schools. Those houses has best schools in Boca Raton. So on the first floor, like I said, it has some room for babysitter or for housekeeper, so with their own bathroom. Again, carpet needs to be replaced. I mean, it's not brand new carpet. If you want, you can put laminate or to replace for another carpet. But this room has own bathroom, which is good, so who lives in this room doesn't use whole house. Plus you have half bathroom on the first floor for guests. So if you have guests and parties and everything, you have half bathroom. On the first floor for sure you have washer and dryer, and after on the first floor you have 3-car garage, huge. But again, you need garage in Florida first from to, you know, to keep your car from the rain, from the sun, and sometimes hurricane season you need to put inside. Some people make garage like storage, a lot of mess, but again, garage is not useless. I mean, you have to have it because of couple things we just said before. Kitchen kitchen is really high-end appliances, Miele, Wolf, and again, it's classic style. Guys, who looking for modern, you have to go with a different type of the house from beginning. So when we asking you question, what's you looking for? So I'm looking for house. Which house? Colonial, classic, one story, range. I mean, it's a lot of options. So when we trying to work with buyers, our clients, so we're trying to ask as much as possible question to save you time, because when you're gonna see 10, 15, 20 houses, guys, you're gonna hate us, because we need to see 5, 7 houses with exactly match to your criteria. It's 2-story building, so first floor and second floor. Let's go upstairs and see what's going on. On a second floor, it's other 5 bedrooms. It has bedrooms, and bedrooms. Everything in excellent shape. But again, guys, it's everything. If you want to replace the floor, you want to repaint it, it's not problem. But main thing, when you're working with a realtor, you have to trust him and to give to give him most information, so it's going to be match what you're looking for. Because sometimes people shiny, I don't want to tell you what I'm looking for. Guys, otherwise you're going to waste your time with the showings, which is you don't need it. Because from showing, you're not going to enjoy it. Yes, it's educational, but most important to get the idea and see exactly type of real estate which is you're looking for. And this is need to be trust between you and your realtor. This is main thing. Otherwise, replace realtor and don't work. Because in this case, you have to trust for the price, to get professional advisors. You see, this is bathroom, Jack and Jill's. It's shared bathroom, so you can go from one room to another room. This is very popular in our market, so it's convenient. So 2 rooms can use the same bathroom. And like I said before, when you're working with realtor, you don't need to work with 100. You need to work with the one which is trust. In this case, a realtor gonna be committed to you and not gonna give you bad advices, because he gonna feel responsibility, fiduciary to you. So in this case, everybody gonna win, because when you're buying property, not just realtor need to open your doors, is need to give you idea how much to pay, how much is really worth, based on his expertise and experience. Because when you're buying real estate, it's not like car has MSRP, you get 5%, 7% discount, whatever, 3% discount. In real estate, it's totally different feeling. And you need to know how much is really worth, not to overpay and not underpay. Because if you're gonna try to not to give a good offer, you're gonna lose every time and gonna be disappointed. Boys, why I cannot buy anything? Because listen, your offer is too low. And this is things happen when realtor trying to save money of a buyer, but trying to waste the time in this case of showings. Because again, you need to be professional, knowledgeable what to give to the seller, not to try and to buy a property. Guys, if you have some specific question related to the closing, related how to buy, I will be glad to share with you. And like I said before, you have to trust to your realtor. In this case, you're gonna get good property for sure, for good price. So guys, always my team always available, myself always available. Feel free to call, sign for our channel. We have a lot of good information, and see you soon.